Well, hello and welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me Pronunciation video course. My, oh my, we are doing really good. This may be video 35. I think it is 35. Wow. We're going to work today with some more digraphs, consonant blends with the S. Now, obviously the English language has lots and lots and lots of S's in their words, and this will be the combination of two letters making a sound like what we've been doing. We're going to do SN, which is one of my favorites, SP, and ST today. Now the SN is like, you know, N, na 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 na, nee 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 nee, whatever, na. So we got this sna, sna, snake. And when I was in China, one day a little freshman boy come in and he's going, teacher, there are snacks outside. I go, wow, snacks? That is so cool. I was a little hungry. So I was reaching in my billfold and I was going to give him some money to go buy the class and me some snacks. And he's going, no. There's snacks outside. And we figured out that snakes. So, you know, pronunciation comes in a lot of ways, but this SN sound, like snake, sometimes it can be a challenge. It depends on how many SN type sounds you have in your language. The SP is pretty strong because we got the S, you know, the S, and we got the P, the P, which is a big voiceless sound, you know, P. And if we go SP, all of a sudden it's sp. You got that? It's pretty easy, but it's pretty strong, like spot or sparrow, and you use that P to push that sound out, but it's voiceless. If it was voice, it would be a V sound. Okay, that's what a V is. And ST, the next one, is a strong sound, especially if it's a R following the T. But we got the S, T, like tough, st, like stop. Or if it's got an R behind it, like street. Now we got, you know, STR. Then that's stra. But today we're basically working mainly on just the ST itself. So practice this st, then spa. You know, practice those sounds. They're fun to play with. You know, okay. So let's get on with the lesson, and I hope you're ready. We're about to learn some English. I hope you're ready to learn a little English. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, now here we are. We got some good sounds here on this lesson. The SN, SP, and ST. Now the SN, we got the S, and N, N. So together, snake. Repeat after me. I'll say snake. My Chinese students used to go snack, but that's not right. The next word is snail. Sneeze. And snazzy. Hear that Z? Snazzy. Line 2. Snap. Snack. snort, snort, sniff. The next sound, S-P, again, S-P, P. So what we get? Sp, special. Spot. Follow my lead. Spell. Spoken. Line 2. Spoon. Sport. Speak. Speed. All right, we got another sound. Let's see what we get here. S-T, so s, and T, t, together. Star. Follow my lead. Stop. Steam. Sticker. Line 2. Start. Stink. Stove. And the last word is steal. Now these are good sounds too, and you use them every day in English, often many times in one conversation. So practice. If you have a problem, keep doing it, and you'll get it right. You will get it right. So that's the end of today's lesson, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, take care. See you later. Bye-bye.